Hello guys, we are supplying sewing machine spare parts. Sewing machines are essential in the production of products such as surgical masks, disposable bags, caps, gowns, and hygiene products. Foot pedal, FRL unit, solenoid valves, cylinders, sealing die, motor and chain set, speed control board, horn, transducer, ultrasonic box, ultrasonic box spare parts. High-speed, continuous production of non-woven items demands durable, genuine spare parts. We Spares4india, we offer a complete range of non-woven sewing machine spare parts, compatible with all major models. For more details, feel free to contact us.